With us once again is Luis Garcia from the IRS, and we're ticking down. It's just a few weeks now until we need to have our taxes in or file for an extension. How do we go about picking a good tax preparer?
Well, you want to make sure that you do your homework, because this is the one time of the year where you give all of your information and your family's information, your children, your date of birth, your social security numbers, everybody's information is all bundled up going to one person, so you better do your homework. We recommend that people check them out by either going to the Better Business Bureau or making sure that if somebody says they're, for example, a CPA or a tax attorney or an enrolled agent, that you in fact check with the different organizations that certify these people if in fact they are qualified to be a tax return preparer. And for those that don't fall under these categories, see how long they've been in business. Make sure that you look for the red flags, which are they asking for to borrow your children? A lot of times people, unscrupulous tax preparers, will sell a child's information back and forth so that somebody could get a credit, and they'll give you $100 to use your child on somebody else's return. So you have to, there's a lot of scams that go out there, and because somebody seems very legitimate, some people will fall for it. So it's up to you, because remember, you sign it, you own it, it's your tax return. It doesn't matter who did it. You're the one that's responsible for it, so you have to be very careful who you choose. If they ask for a percentage of your refund, that's a big red flag. And make sure that you find out exactly what you're paying for. So see if you can find a menu, so to speak, of how much, what you pay for what services.
Okay. Which is often, you do pay a little extra for extra schedules, extra forms.
Exactly.
You bring up a very good point, because we spend all year trying to guard our identity, and then you hand off all this information at tax time, so we really should be careful.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you, Luis Garcia from the IRS. That is tonight's Talk Back.